Hello my gorgeous hotties. Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy way to create anime-inspired drill pigtails. Some examples of this hairstyle are Elizabeth from Kuroshitsuji, Mami from Madoka Magica, Bisuke from Hunter x Hunter, and Shinku from Frozen Maiden. This hairstyle is so charming and translates so well into real life, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Before we get started, just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Ana Luisa. All of the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video today is from Ana Luisa. You guys can get my personal discount code in the description box below. And with that, let's get started. First, this is what's going on with my hair. I've already prepped my hair for use of heat products. And as usual, this is my favorite product in the world. This is the heat protection spray from Fanola. I applied a shit ton to my hair and I'm combing it through with my favorite Tangled Teaser brush. Taking a rat tail comb, I'm sectioning this straight down the middle, and then I'm clipping away one half of my hair. Now the secret to this hairstyle is to take a very small barrel. This is a 3/4 barrel size from T3, and I'm taking a heat protection glove to protect my little fingies. I'm working in 1-inch sections. The smaller the sections that you have, the better, because the curlier your hair will be. And although I've already applied heat protection, with each section that I'm working with, I'm reapplying heat protection just because we are going to be using a lot of heat for this hairstyle, and I really want to keep my hair as healthy as possible. So the way to get this hairstyle done is that you want to curl all of your hair in the same direction. I'm curling all of my hair away from my face, and with my curling irons, I actually prefer to use them sort of as a wand. So I'm just taking my hair and I'm curling it around the iron, and I'm heating up the hair for about 15 seconds. Afterwards, I'm coiling up the hair and I'm pinning it to my head to allow it to cool down completely. This is going to help your hair set in the perfect curl and to keep your hair curled throughout the day. Then I'm just going to repeat this process until all of my hair is curled. After letting my hair cool completely, I'm releasing the spirals. And you can see how allowing the curls to cool down to hold its shape creates super bouncy curls. Now here's a hack to keep a pigtail or a ponytail held high throughout the day. So taking a small section of hair, I'm separating this off and I'm pulling it high. Then taking some hairspray, I'm spraying around the crown of my head, and then taking specifically a boar bristled brush, I'm combing this back to tame all of the flyaways. And not only does this help your hair stay in a high ponytail, this is also a really good way to help smooth down any little frizzies that pop up. I'm going to tie this off into a pigtail, and then joining the rest of my hair, I'm bringing it up to meet that high pigtail. I'm brushing it into place and then taking another elastic, I'm going to tie this all together. And that is how I can keep a super secure hold on a high pigtail throughout the entire day. I'm going to repeat this process on the other side. I'm going to decorate my hairstyle with these white ribbons that I had from Dior. And then of course, to keep my hair hydrated and shiny, I'm finishing off this hairstyle with a drop of my favorite hair oil from Giso. And that's it for this video. Super quick and simple, just a bunch of little tips to help make it possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have been obsessed with this hairstyle. It's definitely not something that I would wear every day personally, just because I don't really like using heat tools on my hair too often. But for special occasions, this hairstyle has been so fun to wear. Literally, I went out to get dinner with my friends after this video and I couldn't stop bouncing around and swinging my head around because it just feels so fun and so bouncy. And you definitely do feel kind of like an anime character, not gonna lie. So I hope you guys get a chance to try this hairstyle. Tag me on Instagram at Princess Mei if you do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys again next time.